Today I'm going to show you how to 10x your YouTube subscribers by adding a little snippet of code onto the end of your YouTube channel link. This is going to be a quick video. It's a super hack. We teach this to all of my clients. Stick around, it's Owen Video. Owen Video! Hey, welcome back to the channel where we help entrepreneurs grow a profitable YouTube channel. And today I want to talk to you about your YouTube subscriber link. This is sort of an insider trick. Not everybody knows about it, but when you use it effectively, you'll see huge growth in your YouTube subscribers. So let me show you what it is, and then I'll show you how to set it up for yourself. Navigate over to your YouTube channel on a desktop and grab the link at the top of the browser. This is your top level channel link. You can also access this link another way by clicking on Customize Channel, then click on Basic Info and scroll down to Channel Links. You may only have one, and that's fine. If you have two, that's fine. We're going to use the top link. Now what you're going to do is copy the snippet of code that you see on your screen right now. Then go back to your YouTube channel. You're going to paste this snippet of code on top of your channel URL, and you're going to highlight this entire link. This is your YouTube channel subscriber link. So now when you produce a new video, instead of sharing a link to the video, share your subscriber link. Here's what the viewer will experience. As soon as they click on your subscriber link, a pop-up will appear that says, "Do you want to subscribe to this channel?" Whether they click yes or whether they click no doesn't matter. Either way, they'll end up back on your YouTube channel page where they can see your most recent video or pick another video that they want to watch. Now, if the viewer is already subscribed to your channel, they won't see a pop-up at all. They'll just go directly to your YouTube channel page. But this video isn't over yet. Let me show you another technique. Hop on over to Namecheap or GoDaddy or wherever you buy domain names and buy a domain like Bill's YouTube channel or Sally's YouTube channel. Buy a domain name that's short and easy to memorize. Then, once you've purchased the domain, set up a forwarding redirect to your YouTube channel subscribe link. So now you can tell your friends and family to go to Bill's YouTube channel, and that will automatically redirect to your YouTube subscriber link, thereby getting you more subscribers faster. Another great example is Instagram stories. Whenever we upload a new video to our channel, we'll post an alert to our Instagram stories. Then, using the stories tools, we'll add the link, and that link will be our YouTube channel subscriber link. So now we're promoting our new videos on Instagram stories. When a viewer clicks, they'll be asked to subscribe, and whether they do or whether they don't, they'll see our latest video right there on our YouTube channel page. So go in the description box right now and copy this snippet of code. Then put that code at the end of your channel link and share that everywhere on the web. For even better results, get a domain name and redirect to it and watch your channel grow. Now, I've got a ton more videos on how to get started growing a profitable channel on YouTube. If you're an entrepreneur, seven-figure business owner, this video is for you. So tap on it, watch it now, and I'll see you there.